how to set two-factor identification on your Facebook privacy settings on your Facebook ID so that it is tough for hackers to hack your Facebook ID. Is simply we will go to settings option and settings and privacy. If we click to the settings option, the second one is security and login. If we click there security and login, on the options here is login. You can change your password from here, and the second one is two-factor authentication. So there are three options: app password, authorized login, and use two-factor authentication. Our target is two-factor authentication. We will click to the edit, and they are asking you protect your account. There are three options. You can protect it by authentication apps. You can make it security keys. Even though you can make it your text message with your mobile number. So we will use this one because this one is very easy and very familiar. So we will simply use text message SMS. They are asking you add your phone number, your mobile number. First of all, you will have to make your country code set up. So where do you live? If your country is Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, USA, whatever it is. My one is Italy. I have write down. And mobile number, phone number. I'm going to write it down. So this is my mobile number. So when your mobile number is okay, just simply click to the continue. If you click to the continue, the system sends you a PIN code number to your mobile number, this mobile number. So okay, it's arrived. I have received the code. On the mobile message option, just take the code number and put it here. Then continue. If you don't receive, then resend it. Click to the resend button, then automatically you will receive another one. And continue. Okay, they are telling you two-factor authentication is on. Already it's on. So then done. They are asking you, do you want this number used to help you make connects and see ads that are more relevant? If you say yes, you can use this number. If you say no, not now. So two-factor authentication is already on because now the second time, if anyone, even though you want to log in with your Facebook ID in another new device or another place, so the system will ask you to put the PIN code number. Automatically they will send to you this mobile number. If you lose your mobile number, it will be difficult for you. And remember, you must carry your mobile number always when you are going to log in another new device and in another new place. Even though if you think this authentication makes you trouble, you can even close it. So your security method, I'm going to show you now how to close it. And manage. Click to the manage, and there is written use different phone number. You can change your phone number even in future if you have new one, or even turn off. If I click to the turn off, they are asking us, this will turn off your two-factor authentication. Then turn off. And done. Now it is not activated on the two-factor authentication. Alright, this way you can change your mobile number even in future, even though you can make it protect your account. Hope this video will be useful for you. If so on, that's our work. Fruitful. Thank you.